Hey everyone! In today's video, we're diving into another iridology sign known as the circulation ring or ring of determination. This is a white ring on the outer iris border, as we can see here, for example. This is a great signal that our body wants to tell us something important about our health. So what does this ring indicate? It is mostly seen in people over 50 and it's all about blood flow. People who have a history of blood circulation issues in their family, or those who follow a lifestyle high in cholesterol from overconsumption of, for example, animal products and processed foods, might see this sign more often. High blood cholesterol levels greatly hinder proper blood flow and in turn can cause symptoms like having chilly hands and feet, high blood pressure, trouble focusing, achy joints, and short-term memory issues. As we can see in this example, it not always has to be a full ring. Depending on where it appears, at the top, the bottom, left or right side of the iris, it points to where in the body blood flow might be compromised. But this is not just a physical sign, as it can also say a lot about our personality. People with this ring are often the types who are fixed in their beliefs and ideas, which makes it hard for them to let go and accept new ideas. If you're seeing this sign in your own eyes or someone you know, and you're curious about how to keep it from becoming a bigger issue, then click the link down below to book a personal iridology report with me at fruitfulsolution.com, and we'll take a closer look together.